This video scripture comes from Matthew 5, verses 3 through 10. Great blessings belongs to those who know they are spiritually in need. God's kingdom belongs to them. Great blessings belong to those who are sad now. God will comfort them. Great blessings belong to those who are humble. They will be given the land God promised. Great blessings belong to those who want to do right more than anything else. God will fully satisfy them. Great blessings belong to those who show mercy to others. Mercy will be given to them. Great blessings belong to those whose thoughts are pure. They will be with God. Great blessings belong to those who work to bring peace. God will call them his sons and daughters. Great blessings belong to those who suffer persecution for doing what is right. God's kingdom belongs to them. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a let's clean together video. Like in every video, I do encourage you guys to clean with me if you like. If this video is giving you some motivation, then I encourage you to get up there and clean your home with me. Have your phone by you while you washing your dishes or folding your clothes, and we can clean together. Okay, so today's video I will be cleaning my home, and I will also be giving you guys some laundry motivation also. So if you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any more uploads from me. So now I'm cleaning off my dining room table. This is an area that gets cleaned every day. Gets cleaned multiple times a day because my children, they sit here and they eat their lunch, they eat their breakfast, their snack, and everything else right here. So this is an area that gets cleaned every day, multiple times a day. And as you can see, I am vacuuming some crumbs that are on the chairs. And these chairs are so filthy. You guys can't really see it on camera, but if you were there in my home, you would see that these chairs are filthy. And I'm looking to invest in a bristle spot cleaner, but they are very pricey, so I don't know. Maybe I can rent something, maybe to clean these chairs. I don't know. I'm ready to get rid of the whole dining room table and get a brand new one. But yeah, until then, I will be cleaning these tables. In a future video, you will see that. Now I will be tidying up my living room, and I'll be cleaning off some crumbs that are on the chairs, because sometimes my kids, they like to go on the sofa and snack behind my back. I don't usually let them eat there, but every now and then they'll sneak there, and I'll just be like, what the heck, whatever. Yeah, so I'm vacuuming my chairs, and then you will see me tidy up the living room.
Sometimes and then you don't. You thought I would stay, well then I won't. Don't wanna keep you around anymore. You're no longer the light I used to know. You want your life to be an open door. Don't wanna tie yourself down, afraid of getting bored. You're like those pretty people disappear in smoke. You're no longer the light I used to know. I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us, and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to understand. It's all gone, it's all gone.
So now I'm fixing my bed. This is the master's bedroom, so this is me and my husband's bed. And I usually try to fix my bed every single day because I feel like it gives me so much joy walking into my room and seeing it clean and seeing my bed made up so nicely. In the future, guys, you will see me do a video real soon, changing up the bedroom a little bit, changing up the comforter and the pillows and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that.
Used to know I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us, and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, no, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to understand. It's all gone, it's all gone. Under your command, under your command.
So now I am cleaning up the master's bathroom. If you guys have not seen my master bathroom makeover, make sure you guys check that out. I will put that video in the description box below. All you have to do is click on that link and you will see that video. And I am just so in love with this bathroom. It is so cute. I love this mint green color. And as you can see at the beginning, I had opened up my curtains because I love when the bright sun just reflect inside of my bathroom with that color, the grays and the mint green, and it's just so pretty and just so lovely.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No.
So as you can see, I decided to give you guys a little bit of a laundry motivation, and I'm starting off by folding my bathroom towels, and then you will see me put that up and see me bring in a whole nother basket full of clothes, and I will be doing that too.
Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. You don't have to wait for it tonight.
Well guys, this concludes today's Let's Clean Together video. I hope that this video gave you some cleaning motivation and also some inspiration from the scripture at the beginning of the video. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching and staying this far in the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day.